Hi lovelies, welcome back to another nail art design video. Today we are going to be doing these gorgeous mint press-ons, but of course before I jump into the video, let me give a huge shout out to my notification squad. These are the first 3 people to comment on my last upload, and if you want to be part of the notification squad, definitely click on that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on by clicking on the bell icon right next to that red button so that you don't miss out whenever I drop a new video. So this collection that I'll be using from today is called the First Love collection by Madam Glam, and it is their soak off builder gel polish in a bottle. So you do get 13 colors including a white builder with this set. So I'm just showing you what the colors look like inside of the bottle, the names and the swatches, and if you guys are interested in seeing these babies swatch, you can definitely go on over and follow me on Instagram and turn your post notifications on over there as well, because I will be posting that swatch video shortly. And these gel polishes are really easy to work with, as well as you get a few opaque ones. I think you get 7 opaques and 6 jellies to go with this entire collection. So if you guys are interested, I do have my link in the description box below and my 30% off coupon code. Now if you are a VIP member on the Madam Glam's website, you can get all of these colors at half price, but if you are not, you follow my link in the description box below, enter my coupon code at checkout, and you will be granted a 30% off discount. Now in order for that discount code to work, you must use the link in the description box below. So I'm going to allow you guys to continue watching these swatches before I get into my nail art design. So for my press-ons today, I am using the Nail Couture XXL Coffin, and this is their 123 gold gel tips, just like the Après, but these are a little bit longer. So I did go in and cut these down to a comfortable length, because I find honestly the nails are fine, like your fingers are fine, but the thumbnails are way too long. And after doing that, I am going in with 2 coats of On My Way by Madam Glam, and I'm going to cure in between each coat for 30 seconds. After curing that, I'm going in with the builder in a bottle, and this is Builder Aquamarine, and this is the only builder that I would be using in this entire set today. And after I apply this, before curing it, I'm going to put down 3 crystals to the tip of the nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it. So once everything is nice and cured, I am going over this nail with my no wipe gel top coat. Now a lot of you are probably wondering why go over a colored gel with the builder in a bottle. 1, it was to hold my rhinestones in place, and 2, I wanted to see if I would give that color and a sort of a glass encapsulated effect, and it did kind of have it, but you can't really notice it on camera, but you can see it in person. So on this nail, I am going in with the same 2 coats of the On My Way gel polish, and I'm going to cure in between each coat for 30 seconds as well. Now I did not go in with the builder in a bottle, which is that Builder Aquamarine, but I did go in with the clear builder, and I'm not going to cure it. I do go in on top of that wet builder gel and start pressing my rhinestones into it. So what I wanted for this nail was a V-shaped V-french tip using my rhinestones. I didn't want to go in and draw it on, so I started with the same size rhinestones across the tip, and then I'm going to start mapping out the line where I want the diagonal cut out to be with almost the same size rhinestones. I try to mix it in between so that it's not too uniform, but after I'm happy with the way how my diagonal is going to look, I then started placing random size stones on the inside to fill it up. If you guys wish, just draw out that V-shaped cut where you want your rhinestones to be with a glitter background before you start putting your stones down. I didn't feel the need to do that today because I ended up covering the majority of that tip, so you barely saw any of the color through it. And these rhinestones are by the McCart company. This I got in the rhinestone gem gel kit, and I do believe that they changed up their kit right now. So I have some products coming in from McCart, and if you guys want to see a whole video on what I got, most of the stuff that I am getting is stuff that I use on a regular, so I'm just topping up on that. So if you guys want to see some of my McCart favorite products, let's get this video to 500 likes in 24 hours, and as soon as that package arrives, I will record that haul for you guys. So when I was happy with the way that my V-french looked, I just went ahead and cured this nail for 60 seconds in my LED light. After it came out, I did go over that mint as well as the sidewalls and the free edge just to eliminate some of that tackiness. I do not go around each rhinestone. If you guys want to, you can go ahead and definitely do that, especially if you're working on a client, then you need to take that extra step. So this is the glitter mix that I will be using today, and this is by the Veroniques Shop, and I have been totally butchering that name to you guys. I've been telling you the wrong name, but I do have the right link in the description box below. I literally messaged the seller today and asked her what is the correct pronunciation of her shop, because I believe to myself that I've been telling you guys the wrong name. So it is Veronique is what she told me. So I am going to let you guys know that the link is in my description box below, as well as my discount code for those of you who are interested. So what I did is I went in with a thin even layer of the Builder Aquamarine, and while that gel is still wet, I am just dropping some of this glitter mix on top of the nail with my cuticle pusher. And now I'm going in with my cleanup brush and I'm just patting that glitter in place just to make sure everything is laying nice and flat, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it. It does not need to cover the entire nail because we are going to go on top of this with another layer of glitter and that same builder. So I have been really loving the layered look when it comes to my glitters, and I just find that it gives it a little more definition. So now I'm going in with a second layer of that Builder Aquamarine, and I'm going to repeat the exact same step. When I'm finished, I do give this nail a full cure of 60 seconds just to make sure everything is nice and dry, and then I'm going to encapsulate it with my clear builder in a bottle. I do buff over the surface just to make sure there are no glitters poking out before going in with my no wipe gel top coat. So this is what that nail looks like after encapsulating it with the clear builder in a bottle. So now I'm taking my lint-free wipe with some alcohol and I just cleanse that, and I'm going in with my Ugly Ducklings fine buffer, and I'm just going to buff over the entire surface. I did go in and reshape my free edge and sidewalls as well before going in with my no wipe gel top coat. And as you guys can see, the layers in between that gel, it just makes this nail so much more, you know, appealing, and like you want to look at it because it's literally that gorgeous. On this nail, I'm going in with that builder in a bottle, and I'm going to repeat the same thing. The only difference is I'll be doing a fade with this chunky glitter. Now I attempted it. I did have to go in and touch it up a little bit, but I was kind of happy with the way that it turned out. So again, I am just dropping some of the glitter with my cuticle pusher on top of that wet builder gel, and I'm allowing it to drop down the nail. I'm patting it so that any excess is going to go more towards the tip and the cuticle area is going to stay nice and opaque. Now it would have went by a lot faster if I had just picked up some of that glitter with my cleaner brush and placed it exactly where I wanted it to. So now I'm going in with that cleaner brush and I'm going to fix this nail, because as you guys can see, it does not look as though it's an ombre. It just looks like, you know, you forgot to put glitter on the tip of the nail. So let's be real, that's what it looks like. So I'm just removing some of the excess builder gel and I'm going to be placing some fine glitters closer to the tip. And now I'm going to take my cleaner brush and pull some of the glitter back towards the cuticle area, and this is going to help me to achieve that ombre glitter effect. After I do this and I'm happy with the way that this nail looks, I'm going to go ahead and give it a full cure of 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go in and encapsulate it with my clear builder, buff the surface. I didn't show me buffing the surface of this one, and then I'm going to go on top of this nail with my no wipe gel top coat. And we are drawing closer to yet another non-traditional Valentine's Day nail art design. So I am going in with 2 coats of the Builder Aquamarine once again, and I'm curing in between each coat. Now on top of this there is a tacky layer, so I did go in with my alcohol and remove that. I applied a drop of my no wipe gel top coat and pressed that first rhinestone into it. So I found that this teal acrylic powder by JC Beauty Concepts, and this comes in their pastel collection, actually went really well with this set. So this is what I'm using to create my flowers today. Now I have not done 3D flowers in forever. Like, to be honest with you guys, I can't even tell you when was the last time I did any 3D at all. So I was a little bit rusty, so some of my beads that I laid down were bigger than some, so all I did was went in and removed it until I got the right size bead before pressing it out and creating any of my flower petals. So I wasn't sure exactly how I wanted my flowers to be placed. All I knew is that this Builder Aquamarine is a little bit on the transparent side if you don't build it up, so I wanted to cover up my natural nail plate. So that's why I'm starting off with the largest flower right on top of where my nail plate would be underneath this press on nails, and I went in with a 5 petal flower to the center. After doing that, I'm going in with my no wipe gel top coat again, and I'm placing some rhinestones down where I want the vine of flowers to continue going up the tip of the extension as well as back towards the cuticle area. I'm randomly going to be placing some rhinestones in between, and then when I'm happy with the way that this entire nail looks, I am just going to go ahead and give it a full cure for 30 seconds once again. Now, me putting down the no wipe gel top coat to hold my stones in place, I do flash cure every pair that I place down for just 15 seconds to hold it, and then start working on my flowers. And for the large flower that I did use my Crystal Nails 3D brush. And for the smaller flowers, I am using my Pure Color number 5 nail art brush. So I am just going to continue with my 3D flowers all the way up this nail, place my crystals where I want them, and after everything is nice and cured, I do go in with my no wipe gel top coat, cure that, and I will have a clip of the final result to share with you guys at the end of the video. So if you have made it to this far, go ahead and leave me your favorite emoji that best suits this set. Yes, I'm leaving this one up to you guys. Find me your favorite emoji that you think is suitable for this gorgeous set and leave me it with your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget, if you're not yet subscribed, click on that subscribe button and be part of the BeGlamorous family. Join our notification squad by clicking on the notification bell right next to that big red button so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video. I hope everyone is doing great. I know it's midweek, so a lot of us are looking forward to Friday. I know this video is a bit late, but I've been thinking a lot about time wise, and I truly believe that I'm not going to have a time scheduled for the videos, but I am going to keep it on the days, which is Sunday and Wednesday. So definitely make sure that your post notifications are on so that you don't miss out whenever I upload that video. So that is it for me. I am out. As always, I would love for you guys to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.